Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to part 2. So I left you on row 7, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're finishing row 6 and we're going to start row 7. So I am chaining 1 because of the ruffles. As you can see, it's becoming, so I have to be careful with that. So some areas I'm doing 2 chain where I'm going to do the bobble stitch, and the rest I am going to focus on 1 chain. Okay, so I'm going to join with a slip stitch, go on to the next one, slip stitch, and go on to the next one, slip stitch, chain 2 to go up. Okay, so we have 3 bobble stitches. Now we're going to make them 4. I'm sorry, 5. 2, 4, 5. Okay, that's the only thing we're going to do. Because of the bobble stitches, what happens is with the 2 chains, it become ruffly. So as you can see, most of them here, I did 1 chain instead of 2. Okay, so yeah, this is the way we do a trick. Like I said, a lot of different methods. So you need to create your own. This is the decrease corner, so I'm doing the same thing. 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. Okay, here I'm going to do 1 chain and then come here, make a double crochet, just like a granny square. Okay, so 1 chain, come here, and then 1 chain, because we're not going to do a bobble stitch on top of here, so I can do my 1 chain here. I'm going to start making bobble stitches, so each on end 3, then it would be 5. This is the only thing we're going to do. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 double crochet on the double crochet and 5 double crochets on the 2 chain, and then come back like doing a camel toe, a reverse single crochet, yeah, and then grab it either this way and then pull, and then make a double crochet on top of the double crochet. So here in this part, that's where we're going to do 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come back on the first one and then make a double crochet on top of double crochet. Okay, again repeat 5 double crochets in that spot right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go back, then pull again on top of the double crochet. Okay, so we have 3. This is the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are a new beginner and you are following this tutorial, you can go to settings and slow the video if I'm going too fast for you. But I'm just making double crochets, that's all I'm making, nothing else. And I did show very slowly on how to do the bobble stitch, so let me show it one more time. 3, 4, 5, and what you do is you come to the first 4 and 1 more, 5, and then you come to the first double crochet right here at the beginning, right after where we did the double crochet on top of the double crochet right here, and then we pull this and then it's like a chain, and then we make a double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, and then we have total of 5 double crochets, and then I'm going to do 1 chain because I need to shrink, or else it would become ruffly, right? We don't want that extra fabric. Chain 1 and then come here. Okay, so I'm going to let you finish row 7, and then I will meet you on row 8 because this is all we're doing, lots of double crochets, and I don't want to waste your time. You can just rewind it and redo it. The corners are always same: 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and then 3 double crochet. It's like doing a granny square. I'm doing 1 chain because I don't want that extra fabric. That's the only reason. If you're a tight crocheter, you can do 2 chain, and then we come here on the first here, or on the third, and then make a double crochet, chain 1, and it's just a repeat for 4 rows. So I will meet you at the end of this row, and we will start row 8. Okay, so finishing row 7, I chained 1, and I'm going to do a slip stitch right here. Okay, just like this. And then on the next one, I'm going to do another slip stitch. So 3 slip stitches total, and then 1 here, chain to go up. So we're starting row 8. So row 8, we're going to do 3 popcorn stitches. So we had 5, we're going to do 3. So on top of these each for this row, that's the only thing we're going to do. Okay, chain 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, come here, make a double crochet. Like I said, if you're a tight crocheter, you don't have to chain 1, you can chain 2. Tighter than me. Okay, I'm going to chain 2 here, then come here to the next double crochet. So we got rid of 1, and then we're going to make a popcorn. I just go in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come back to the first one. Okay, make a double crochet. So don't skip these double crochets, they're very important. And then we come here and then make a 5 double crochets to make a popcorn stitch. 3, 4, 4, 5, then come back, so this is the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, chain 2. Okay, I don't want to chain 1 here because then it would be too tight. So this is how it looks like. So this row is just like this, and again you can chain 1 or you can chain 2. It's your own preference and how you crochet, but mine gets ruffly, so this is what I'm doing. I'm chaining 1 between, and I see if it's too tight, I chain 2. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, so I am going to let you crochet, and I will meet you when we finish this row, and then we will start row 9. Okay, the row 9 is going to be only 1, so we're decreasing, we're getting rid of the 2 here, and then we're going to only do 1 popcorn stitch for the next row. Okay, so I will meet you on the next row.